Hello, my name is Glen and this is Melina. And today we're going to be showing you the Foxtrot. Let's start with a basic step. The man starts with his left foot and takes 2 steps forward. The lady starts with her right foot and takes 2 steps back. So we step, step, and now we take a side step, side together. Let's do that again. Step, step, and side together. We'll reverse here. And our timing, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And we'll just do this in dance frame. So I'm shaping my arms, American football style, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick.